So hi there, now that we have completed this how to make this YouTube videos, now we have only just one more step here pending here. That is nothing but we need to export our video to the required resolution. So we go here. So this is nothing but the destination wherein you want to save the document. So I'll just do one thing, I'll just save it in desktop itself. So file format, I think MP4 is the best format for me. And resolution, if you want, just for the purpose of this video, that what we are going to use it for YouTube, I feel the resolution is 1080 pixels, which would be fine for me. And this one is maximum, and you can just press go ahead and continue. But in case if you want for Facebook and Instagram, you can just see it is just will be a square video with a resolution of 1000 into 1000, that is height into width will be 1000 into 1000. So I'll go here and I'm going to press continue here. It's just a very simple process to export. So the thing is, it's really going to take some time for exporting this video. Maybe it is just our video is almost like 2.7 minutes long, so almost I think it will be like around half an hour to 45 minutes. Yes, definitely is going to take half an hour to 45 minutes. I don't know whether depending it is really relevant upon this GPU and for CPU, because my computer is a Core i7 computer with 4 GB of graphics card, and if you really have a powerful system, I think it should be faster, right? So that's all is about this tutorial, and it's just the end. You have successfully completed making a YouTube video, then exported. Now just only one more procedure. Go ahead and kind of just drag and drop your video into YouTube and make it shown to all the viewers, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye, see you and take care.